Hi Michelle, hi Kate. This is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. I spoke with Kate briefly last week on me shooting this little 5-minute custom video over to you of an online website audit of your current site. So first things first, I go ahead and put HVAC companies in Austin, Texas into Google and see where you're at. This top section right here is the ad section or the sponsored. As you can see, they're paying for ads. And then this down here begins the Google Map Pack or the Google My Business. So a lot of times this goes hand in hand with how your website is ranking, etc. And then this begins the organic section. So this is where the actual rankings begin. These top 4 spots are consumed by directory links, so Yelp, Angie's List, and Consumer Affairs. So I'm going to go with the first non-directory contractor down here, which is Precision Heat and Air. So through the duration of this video, I'm going to compare your website to Precision Heat and Air, which also, by the way, I believe y'all are on the bottom of page 4. Yes, so that's where you're currently ranked. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is content. So content is any wording or verbiage throughout your website. We're going to focus on the homepage for now. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab all of this on their homepage and place it into a word counter. So you can see they have about 1,200 words of content on their homepage, and I am going to also do the same for you and grab yours off of your homepage and see where we're at. So you have about 600, 700 words of content on your homepage. Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that Google recognizes this, and it also provides us with 1,000 to 2,000 more opportunities for us to slide keywords into this, the verbiage and the content to populate you in more Google searches. So that leads me to my second topic, which are keywords. What is a keyword? So keywords are these little phrases that people type into Google to bring you up. So how I look deeper into that is I'm going to go ahead and grab each of your websites and place it into Ahrefs, which is an online website auditing tool that I use. And right off the bat, I just want you to look at theirs in comparison to yours. Like these numbers over here, they're not always 100%, but they give us a good idea. So I'm going to go ahead and click on their keywords to see what we have. So HVAC Austin, Texas, HVAC Austin, AC Services Austin, Texas, HVAC Repair Austin. So those are all really good keywords. Of course, there's tons of surrounding towns that you can grab, etc. But I want you to look at something per se. Let me see. Heating and air conditioning company. So things like this these are nationwide keywords, and what that means is that someone in Oregon per se could Google this and it would possibly populate this website. Those aren't really the kind of customers that we're looking to bring in or the traffic that we're looking to drive, because it's not going to make us money. It's not going to bring you business. So we're going to put these ones with the locations on. Those are a lot more important because that's going to bring in a buyer intent customer. So let's go ahead and look at your keywords and see where we're at. Efficient AC. So these all right here are nationwide keywords. But HVAC Austin is here, AC Services Austin, Texas, HVAC Contractor Austin. So you do have some other ones as well. And of course, if you would like to capture all of the surrounding towns, that's something that can be, research can be done, etc., to bring in those keywords. So that leads me to the third topic I'm going to talk about, which are backlinks. What is a backlink? So a backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is placed. So somewhere throughout the entire internet, this website is linked 3.56K times. And why is that beneficial to us? Like, what does that do? It's basically publicity and referrals in a sense. So that provides 3.56K more opportunities for you to be seen, noticed, bring in traffic, etc. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you don't have to necessarily beat that number to outrank them. You have to we go for higher power, more quality backlinks. So that is essentially what we would do, is we would go in and capture some really good quality backlinks as well as look at the ones that they are on. We'd go ahead and like put ourselves on an even playing field, and then you go back in month after month and you continue adding and adding and adding until you essentially climb in rank. So that being said, I hope this video is informative for you. Feel free to incorporate these tools yourself with the current company you're using, or as always, please reach out to me for more information. I would love to help you. All of my contact information will be linked in the email provided, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.